Hello. I don't think we've met before. I'm Keanu.
Nice to meet you, Keanu. I'm Lovely.
What brings you to this part of the city today?
I usually come here to read at the local park.
That sounds relaxing. I just moved into the neighborhood last month.
Oh, welcome. Where are you originally from?
I am from Seoul, South Korea.
That's wonderful. I hope you enjoy living here.
Thank you. It seems like a great area so far.
Great. Maybe we'll see each other around.
Excuse me, I am so sorry, but I missed your name earlier.
No worries. My name is Lovely. Lovely.
Lovely. That's a beautiful name. My name is Keanu.
Thank you, Keanu. Are you new to this company?
Yes, I started here just last week.
Ah, okay. Which department are you working in?
I'm with the technical support team upstairs.
Nice to formally meet you, Keanu.
You too, Lovely. What is your role here?
I handle scheduling and human resources.
So, what do you usually do in your free time, Lovely?
I spend most evenings practicing the piano.
That's fantastic. Do you play classical music?
Sometimes, but I mostly play modern jazz. What about you?
My main hobby is gardening outside.
Gardening? That sounds very calming and rewarding.
It is. I grow a lot of fresh vegetables in the summer.
That must save you a lot of money on groceries.
It definitely helps. I love working with the soil.
We should swap hobbies sometime.
Lovely. How are your family members doing these days?
They are doing really well, thank you. My parents are traveling.
Oh, that's exciting. Where did they decide to go?
They took a short trip to visit Spain for 2 weeks.
I see. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother who is studying abroad.
Wow, you all seem to enjoy traveling a lot.
We do. Is your own family living close by?
My sister lives downtown, but my parents live overseas.
That's nice. You have family in the same city at least.
Excuse me, I like this jacket. Do you have it in black?
Let me check for you. Which size are you looking for?
I think I need a size large, please.
Okay, here we are. Yes, we have one black large jacket left.
Great. Where are the changing rooms, please?
They are right behind that pillar over there.
Thank you. Can I try on 2 other shirts too?
Of course. Take as much time as you need.
What is your returns policy, just in case?
You have 30 days to return or exchange it with the receipt.
Good afternoon. I need half a dozen fresh bagels, please.
Certainly. Which kind would you prefer? Plain or sesame?
I'll take the plain ones this time, please.
6 plain bagels. Is there anything else you need today?
Yes, I need 2 pounds of chicken breast as well.
Okay, I have that ready for you here.
How much is the total for everything?
That comes to exactly $19.50.
Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. Your change is 50 cents. Enjoy your food.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop for the downtown area?
You're looking for the platform right across the street.
And which bus number goes closest to the main station?
You definitely need the number 14, the blue line.
Fantastic. Do you know how often the 14 comes?
It runs every 15 minutes during the daytime.
Perfect. How do I purchase a ticket?
You can buy one from the driver or use the ticket machine near the sign.
I will buy one from the machine then. Thank you so much.
No problem. I hope you catch it quickly.
Good morning. Could you tell me the price of this laptop stand?
That model is selling for $35.99.
That's a bit outside my budget. Is this small keyboard cheaper?
Yes, the wired keyboard is marked at $19.50.
Does the price include sales tax or is tax extra?
Tax is added on top, but it's only 7%.
Are there any cheaper monitor stands available?
We have one used display model for $25 in the back office.
That's a better deal. I'll take the used monitor stand.
Wonderful. I can go grab that for you now.
Excuse me, I'm afraid my coffee is incorrect.
Oh, I sincerely apologize. What is wrong with it?
I asked for a large latte, but this is a cappuccino.
I am so sorry for the mistake. I will fix that immediately.
Thank you. Could you also make sure it has oat milk, please?
Absolutely. I will personally remake your large oat milk latte.
I appreciate that very much. How long will it take?
Only about 3 minutes maximum. Sorry for the wait.
No problem. Thanks for understanding.
My pleasure. Here is your correct drink.
That's everything. How much do I owe you?
Let's see. Your total comes to $88.
Perfect. I will pay with my debit card.
Great. You can tap or insert your card right there.
The machine says insufficient funds. Uh-oh.
That happens sometimes. Do you have any cash?
Yes, I have $90 in notes. Here you go.
Thank you. Your change is exactly $2.
Can you please put the small items in a bag?
Of course. Here are your goods and your receipt. Have a great day.